Today we will discuss and will design one application exe. For that, right click, come to the create project. Today we will design one exe file. We will design how can we create exe and we can install anywhere. Okay, so now blank projects, finish. When you will create this project, try to save it. Okay, create new folder with the name of application. With the name of application, new project. Okay, file, so it is our directories. Okay, item, right click, new vi. In this new vi, we will design one program for the factorial. Okay, so for the program, I will use one numeric control. Okay, number for factorial. Okay, now number for factorial. Okay, now we'll use the multiply functions. If I will insert 2, so output will be 2. If I will insert 3, 6, 4, 24, 5, 126, 5 multiply by 4 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 4, 5 multiply by 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply with 1. Okay, so it is a factorial program. It's very easy program. Now right click in the build specification. Okay, right click in the build specification. So when you will find the right click in the build specification, come to the application.exe. Come to the application.exe. Click the application.exe file. Come to the application.exe file. Information. Now it's open one window, my application properties window. So informations. So I am going to change the right factorial. Okay, and target file name exe. Directories. Okay, same directories. Now if you want you can change application.exe. If you want you can change, okay, whatever my application.exe, anything if you want you can change. Okay, sources. So here the source is factorial.vi. Look at here carefully. After the information source, okay, application.exe, okay, source, in the project file there is at least one vi we need, at least one vi we need for, at least one vi we need for open startup. So click on this vi and select here. Okay, click on this one, select here. Other VIs or not, okay, no problem. Now destination. Okay, destination is good. Can be set edit icon. Can be set edit icon. Let's see if you can. So whatever you want to design, okay, you can insert new one, and if you want to design any icon, so you can edit. Okay, but I am not going to edit anything. Okay, because we don't have that much time, so we will not going to edit. Preview, generate preview. Our app, okay, in our this day 16, in my built new file, built will okay automatically generate. In this side build, the new product file will generate, and factorial file, and this one, and my exe will look like this, application.exe. So now start build. Okay, build. When you start build, so build status will occur. Okay, and if your vi will, if your build function will execute without any error, that means it's done. So now you can click two things, either you can click on the explore and you can click on the done. I am going to click the done, and now I will go to that platform where I had design. So day 16, inside day 16 build is present, inside the build their new product is present, factorial is present in this factorial, and application.exe is present. Now you can run this application exe in any computer, without LabVIEW. Okay, now you can use this factorial vi in any computer without LabVIEW. Okay, you cannot see the block diagram of these functions. Okay, you cannot see the block diagram of this function, and this is your exe has been converted, so you can run.